Drowning is one of the leading causes of death for children ages 1 to 14. Children can drown in just 1 inch of water. Remember the following tips to help keep your family safe in and around water. Never leave your child in water unattended, even for a second. Avoid distractions like reading, texting, or talking on the phone. Learn CPR and first aid. Know the safe swimming areas for ponds, lakes, and pools that you visit. Teach children how to swim, tread water, and float. Children who cannot swim should always wear Coast Guard approved life jackets. When boating or doing other water sports, make sure that everyone always wears a Coast Guard approved life jacket. If your family has a pool, make sure that it is enclosed by a 4-foot fence with a self-closing and latching gate. Empty all wading pools, buckets, and containers and store them upside down and out of reach of children to help prevent drowning. For more information on how to keep your family safe, visit our website at rileysafetystore.org.